As we sail our journey from A to Z, explore the sea creatures as many as we see. Head for anglerfish, B for batfish, bull scoping, blob scoping, C for clownfish, Christmas tree worm, coralfish, D for dolphin, dusky dolphin, dragonet,